When I first saw this 21 Chevy Silverado 1500, I thought it was a heavy duty truck. I thought it was big boy status because we're on 37s, but no, this is a Chevy Silverado 1500 4x4 LT. For Mr. Johnson from Lawrenceville, Georgia, the truck possesses a strength and size to it that I truly love. 6 inches, fit to 37, but it all comes down to that equation of the right wheel and tire combo to make it happen. 6-inch BDS kit, money setup, Black Rhino Sentinels, 20 by 9.5, plus 12 on the offset. That is the key, back spacing, offset, etc. Look at this, money setup, mild to wild scale. We're kind of on the mild side, but you got to run it like this to make 37s work. So if you like that aggressive on the wild side wheel and tire combo, you're going to have to step down to 35s, because even this on a 37 with this mild offset, it still took us a lot of trimming to make this work. Which the customer, he obviously was aware of that. We did ant research, power boards, and a backflip trifold to go along with it. I love the gray color with black wheels, and the Black Rhinos gives that rugged off-road vibe that I truly love. B&W hitch in the back, the 21 body style I was a fan of, and we just finished a 23 Denali Ultimate Covert Edition also with just 1.5 inches in the front. We're leveled on 34s, 285, 55, 22. So I told you many times, we're the real deal because we don't just do Ford. Chevy, GMC, Toyota, Nissan, any make and model, we can take it to the next level. Good look at our stance from the rear. Personally, I would much rather take 37s and be more positive on the offset than to go more on the wild side and roll with 35s. I like the bigger size truck. Like I told you, I thought this was a 2500 HD sitting here. Come around it and like, oh my gosh, Mr. Johnson's, he actually worked for the railroad, y'all, and we had initially intended on doing 18s. Bud Biscotti, great tenured salesperson here, we had 18s on the docket initially, and the back spacing didn't allow for it. It was hitting some of our components on the front end, so he works for the railroad and actually stopped the train right here to come over to get his loaner vehicle so we could get him rolling on the proper wheel size and offset. How awesome is that? Bud was saying, we've seen all kind of stuff come through here, planes, helicopters, etc., but never a train. Epic days every single day here at Akins. Just so happen to have the big tow mirrors, so that works just right for this size and stature of our Everest Edition. Now, Everest Edition for us is 4 inches or taller, so what a big bolsterous combo here. And you can look right next door and see Covert Edition action right there. So Covert below a 4-inch, Everest Edition 4 inches or taller. Let's go. Tire size is 37, 12.5, 20, and I know that you all that watch these videos may not come do business with us, and that's okay. Fires me up just knowing that we're able to help you with your next build, because you might be in Nevada or South Dakota or Oklahoma, I don't know, but I would love to connect with you in any way, and just knowing that I've impacted your life by helping your ride go to the next level means everything to your boy. Thanks for watching. Chevy, GMC, Ford, it don't matter, we got you covered. Check me tomorrow, 'cause I'm never stopping. Peace out.